Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from group 6. It's about cooking for enjoy life. Let me introduce myself. My name is Fauziah Rahmawati.
And my name is Awal Marwangsa.
And my name is Syahdani Izzudin.
My name is Ristriadhi Rahayu Wibawandi.
Hello guys, how are you? Have a nice day.
Of course, I'm great. I'm really happy right now. And how about you, Dani?
I'm fine. Hey, Tria, how about you?
I'm okay. How about you all?
I'm fine too. Thank you.
What makes you happy right now, Fau?
The vegetables in my garden are ready to be harvested, and I will cook for you.
Wow, really? I want to help you to harvest.
Okay, come with me.
Let's go.
By the way, what kind of vegetable is this? It's my first time seeing it.
Oh, it is pak choy. I got the seeds from my friend.
Wow, so many pak choys have been harvested. What do you want to cook?
I'm also confused. Do you have any idea, guys? Maybe, how about cooking pak choy with oyster sauce?
Oh, great idea. Must be yummy, yeah?
Okay, it must be delicious. Anyway, I will make a special dish for you guys.
Yeah, thank you, Fau.
I will wait for you.
Okay.